DTE Energy is working to build a stronger and smarter electric grid by rebuilding nearly 200 miles of electric infrastructure along Edsel Ford Freeway and adding a new substation, which is expected to improve reliability by up to 90% for customers served by this equipment. We're currently installing new underground conduit along Harper Ave between Holcomb and Sherwood, and we'll be working in the Gratiot Town, Kettering neighborhood later this year. We will be replacing poles, power lines, transformers, installing smart devices, and trimming or removing trees. This new equipment is stronger and better able to withstand strong winds and extreme weather. Plus, clearing trees near our electric equipment means that they're less likely to cause outages during a storm. As part of this $263 million project, we also recently energized a new substation that increases the capacity of the electric grid in the area, paving the way for additional electric vehicles, appliances, and business growth in the future. Learn more about work taking place in your neighborhood at dteenergy.com/powermap.